Hey everybody, welcome back to Holt Growers. This is the last cabinet to be put together for our kitchen remodel. It is going next to our refrigerator and it will hold our 13-gallon tall trash can in the kitchen. So our trash will be out of sight. Shouldn't be too bad. I grew up with a trash can that was built into a cabinet. I love them. It keeps the kitchen a lot cleaner and smelling nice. That shelf in there is level despite what the angle of this camera is showing. It will hold our trash bag. So with that, get out, grow something today.